Welcome back. Today I thought I'd just take a quick look at one of the features that it's not even a feature really, just one of the built-in parts of pfSense that most people overlook, and that's how to update it. It's very simple, and we're just going to do it here just so that everyone can see how it works. So as you'll see, I've got my pfSense virtual machine loaded up here. Here we go. And it's telling me that it's on the latest version. Well, yes it is. So if we go to the update from the system menu, let's see if it really is. It probably is. There we go. So now, because I can, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump onto one of the development branches, which is the 2.7. With that comes FreeBSD 14 current. Give it a minute. It's going off to check for updates. Now sometimes it gets stuck on this, but there it is, working perfectly. So we'll confirm. Let's see what happens. It's going to fetch a lot of packages. Uses FreeBSD's package system. On my personal device, what I'm running is pfSense Plus 2301. But in this one, this is the community edition, which is what most people would run. This may take a few minutes. Please hold. Your firewall is being located. Someone thinks they're funny. Put a spider on my boom arm. Some of these packages will probably be quite big, so it may well take a few minutes. Of course, once it's done that, it has to install them and reboot the system. Of course, one of the other advantages to using the 2.7 version is that you get PHP 8.1. Less vulnerabilities. It's a newer version of PHP. Lovely. About halfway now. Almost there for downloading anyway. There we go. So it's just going to start installing. Now this process, you can use this for going from any version to any version. So in this particular instance, I'm going from 2.6 to 2.7, but it could just as easily be 2.5 to 2.6. Process is the same. It's just rebooting. Once it's rebooted, I believe it's going to install the other packages that it's downloaded. Should almost be done. Hey, there we go. So there we go. We are now on the 2.7 development version, and as you can see, FreeBSD 14 current. So let's have a quick look at the packages to make sure that they're all up to date. Uninstalled. Excellent. So we can start installing them just as you would. Sure, most people would have that. And as I said, PHP 8.1. Nice and easy. So what we'll go through in the next video for the pfSense stuff is probably about pf blocker ng, because this is a very handy tool. There we go. So that's all good. So if we go back to the update, we should see that there's no more updates ready. There we go. Up to date. Perfectly up to date. Very simple. Like I said, all good. Hope you find this useful. I know it's, as I say, it's a very simple task, but I think it's one that gets overlooked quite a bit. It's literally system, update, and you can change a branch if you want to. and then just let it get on with it. If you find it useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Discord server in the link below. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.